So guys, let's test out this new paper airplane. This is my new design and it flies very well, so check it out now. Okay, to throw this paper airplane, do not throw it up too high. Throw it about 30 to 35 degrees and it should fly very well. So check it out now. Wow, see? Hello again everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design and it flies very well in and outdoor. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of your letter size paper. If you don't have your letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work as well. Now let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Press down the paper. Then unfold the paper. Now start from this upper edge, first to this side and the other side. Unfold the paper. Make sure that all edges are lined up. I need to adjust it just a little bit. Okay. Now repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Rest the paper down. Unfold the paper. Now let's flip the paper over. Start from this upper edge. Imagine that you have a straight line from this point to the other point. So for that, slowly mash them all together and press the paper down. Perfect. And at the end of the paper, let's fold up a little bit. When you fold up, you do not press the paper down, alright? Just fold up. And at the end of the paper, especially at the edge, press it down. Also here, press it at the edge only. Alright. And now unfold the paper. Same thing here. Unfold the paper. Now let's flip it over and place the paper like this. Now let's start from this edge or this crease. If you put it up a bit, it's more like a crease. And if you put it up more, it should be like an edge for both sides of the crease or the edge to the center crease. Now let's fold out. Now you have it almost like a house shape. Let's fold this upper part of the paper down. Alright. Next step, you have this upper layer. Let's fold this upper layer straight to the tip and press the paper down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Press this down. Here we go. Now I will fold this layer toward the other side and start from this center crease or this upper edge. I fold straight to the crease or the edge that we just make. So just first straight. Alright. A little bit more like this. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's fold this layer to this side Same thing, this to the other side and press it down. Now let's start from this edge, match this to the crease. Curve the paper first, curve it more, and then just press down. Very simple, right? Perfect. Now I fold this layer back to the other side. On the following step, let's start from this upper layer. We have one more layer here. I'll fold it straight to this corner. Let's curve the paper first and fold it to the corner and then press it down. Perfect. Alright. Now I will fold the whole part of this layer to a side and just pull this part. You see this layer still here? Hold this layer there. So I fold this edge to the center crease. Just fold to the center crease and then press the paper down. Perfect. And then this part of the paper I'll pull it out to create a canal. Okay. Here we go. So I finished one side. Just like a horn. I finished one horn. Let's do the second part of the paper. The same thing. Start from this tip first straight to this corner. Alright. Curve the paper first and press it down. Fold the whole layer to a side and start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. So I just fold it to the center crease like this. And then this part of the paper, I press it down. About this size, I just pull it out. See? Pull it out slowly, and then you will have another horn. Right? And I fold it to a side again. Here we go. So this is what we have so far. This looks already cool. Press the paper down here. Alright. Now let's flip the paper over and place it this way. On the following step, this is quite difficult, but you will be able to make it. Just follow my step now. You can see this part of the paper. Estimate about half an inch or 1 inch, actually 1 inch along the center crease from this point here, and press the paper down. Okay. Actually, let me start over. So this is what you have. Let me put the paper down. I'll flip the paper over and I'll show you. You see this part of the paper? So hold your finger at this part of the paper. So use both your finger and hold it like this. You will feel where it is. Here we go. So this is what you have. This is at this intersection of both horn right here. Hold right there and press the paper down. Start from one side first and then next the other side. Very easy, right? When you hold, you press it down. Press it down a little bit more. Right? So look at this. I'll make a crease along this edge, and the distance from here to here is about 1.5 inches. Okay. Once you finish this side, let's fold the other side of the paper up and repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, when you finish this side already, hold the paper like this and then fold the other wings. So curve it slowly until you make it. Perfect. Now I have two sides of the paper of the paper airplane. I put the paper down and fold this part of the paper up to create a wing. Also this horn of the paper as well, the paper airplane. So match this edge to the upper edge right here. So first up, repeat the same fold for the other side. Press it down and then I'll flip the paper over, repeat the same fold. Flip it over, fold up. Okay. Let me adjust the paper just a little bit. Here we go. So that is what we have. Yep. This is what you should have. But if you want to start from here, you can start from here, but I will adjust the wings a little bit more. I don't like it look like this, so I will adjust it I put a paper airplane down, and I match from this corner straight to this corner instead. Okay, you have two different ways to fold this plane. I will do this one. Let me show you the other the current one now, and then I'll show you the next step. All right, so the cool thing about this one is you will have the elevators here. You can curve the end of the wings up to create elevators, and you have stabilizer as the center of the plane. It's look pretty cool actually. If you look at it, the plane look very cool. All right, but if you don't want it to look like this, I'll give you another option to make the plane. Put it down, start from this corner, this tip, for straight to this corner. So I will adjust it a little bit up more. This is another option. All right, flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. Let's match these wings to the other wings. Then you have a perfect paper airplane. Here we go. Let me flip it and let me press it down and then flip it over. And adjust it a little bit. Okay. At the end of the wings, you need to curve it up like this so that the plane will fly up instead. Alright, and here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Let's test it out yourself. And don't forget to leave me a comment below, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.